Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to completely customize your wedding website on Canva for free. Starting off with the envelope, this is what you'll be sending out to your guests. You can change the guest names, initials on the wax stamp, you and your hubby to be names, as well as the date of your wedding. Play around with the font, color, and sizing of these texts to make it perfect for you. Don't do anything with the click here to open text yet. We will come back to it later in this video. To change the background of your envelope PDF, simply delete the old photo and add your preferred one. You can play around with filters in the Edit tab. After you're done, just position your image at the very back and you're done with the first step. Moving on to the home page of your website. Easily change the name of your website at the top as shown here. Now you can play around with the wording, change your names and date, and choose the perfect color to fit with your theme. I personally recommend using either the Alta or Noto Serif font for a very elegant and classic feel. Change the background image, click on the current image and press the position button. In the new tab section that opened, find the image and click on the three dots. Then select Detach from Background. Once you've selected your own image, simply right-click on it and press the Replace Background button. Next up, we have the countdown timer. Select the timer and press the Edit button in the top left. Here you can change the countdown date, edit your font, change the color as you prefer, and even play around with different motions and effects. Once you're happy with your timer, you can press Update Design. Easily upload your own photos and simply drag and drop them into the image boxes. Double-click on the image if you want to crop or move it around. As you can see with the RSVP envelope, the click here text is already linked to your RSVP form, so you won't have to change anything other than your text and color scheme. In the finer details section, you can once again easily drag and drop your own images into the Click Here button is already linked, so no need to worry about that. When detaching the image from the background, you can absolutely delete the grain texture, but if you want to keep it, just press Replace Background and it will pop right back up. Background images, I like to play around with the transparency. Using the classic black and white filter, then turning it down gives my image an old school vintage feel, but please feel free to play around with the filters and finding what works best for you. Now we can edit the RSVP page. Once you've edited your top section, click on the existing RSVP form and then press Edit. Here you can change anything and everything from the wording to the questions and responses. You can even add more or delete some sections, it's all up to you. You can then change the color, font, and the lines until you're happy. When your guests fill in this form, you will be able to view it under the Responses section at the top. On your finer details page, you can edit the text, the graphics, as well as your color scheme. Now you will open your Maps app of choice. In this case, I use Google Maps. Search for your destination of choice and copy its link. Back on your website, you will right-click on View in Maps. Select the Link button and copy your link into the designated space. And there you go, you now have a clickable link that will take your guests directly to your ceremony location. You will do exactly the same in the accommodation section under View Booking. The same goes when linking your registry and honeymoon fund. Choose your app of choice, copy the link, and just paste it right in. With your dress code section, download an image with your wedding colors and upload it to Canva. Drag, drop, and crop your image to fit the frames. Moving on to the Our Story page. Edit the text and write about your perfect love story in any way you want. When uploading your images, if the section is too small and cuts off too much, you can simply press on the section and fit it to how you want it. If you want to add more Polaroid frames, elongate your section, duplicate the frame and text, and move it to where you want it. Into the Frequently Asked section, you can play around with text sizing, colors, and placements. Have fun! When you're done designing, you can view your website by pressing the Preview button. Deselect Resize on Mobile, as resizing it will mess up your layout. Now you can publish. You can change the link name of your website or use your own domain. Then press Settings. You can password protect your website, then guests will have to enter a password before viewing. Be sure that Resize on Mobile is deselected. Then you can publish your website. Give it a second, then it's done. Once your website is published, copy the link that is given to you. Let's head back to your PDF envelope from earlier and click the Click Here to open text. Select Link and paste your link in the designated spot. When downloading this PDF, click Share and change the download type to PDF Standard and download. There you go, your website is officially done.